Check it out, everybody. Those aren't bighorn sheep. Those are Barbary sheep. Now, this is a really cool find, and they've got a pretty interesting history. Here in Texas, they were actually brought from North Africa for hunting a long time ago, but unfortunately, they've outcompeted the bighorn sheep, and it's significantly decreased their population. So these guys are a serious problem. That is really cool. That is a really cool find, though. They were just along the trail, but now they've moved up a little bit. That's pretty neat.